Yo, what's up YouTube? This is Omega 5 Fisher coming at you live at Ocean Beach. We're trying to catch some Dungeness crab out here. Try our luck, get away from all the pots that are dropped off in front of Pacifica Pier. So out here in Ocean Beach, trying to do my thing. All right, y'all. I'm gonna put a video out where when I go check my pole, hopefully I catch one, get you some live action. So let's see what's gonna go, how we do. All right, you know what's up, get them. All right guys, so it's about 11 o'clock. I did my first pull. It was nothing. So right now I'm just going to show you my setup, what I'm using out here, Ocean Beach. Okay, you got to use heavy gear. All right, so what I got going out here, I'll show you in a second. All right guys, so this is my makeshift sand spike. I got a U-joint over here from Home Depot. I got a PVC pipe. I cut it short. I use some zip ties and I use a O-clamp just to hold it down tight. See that? So I got that where I put my rod. My rod is an 11-foot surf sea line. Okay, they don't make this anymore, unfortunately. Any 10, 11, 12 footer would be good. I got a BG Daiwa. Shout out to Daiwa. BG 8000. And I got 30-pound test line, preferably fluorescent green color so you can see your line. All right, again, U-joint from Home Depot, PVC pipe, O-clamp, some zip ties, and I got some screws to hold it down with some nuts. All right, 11-foot sea line, 8000 BG Daiwa. Daiwa sea line, Daiwa BG reel. All right, so that's what I'm using. Hopefully I get my 10 and I can show you what I catch at home. All right, peace out YouTube.
Yeah!
Go. All right guys, so I just pulled up a crab. It is short. Once again, you check it from the last lateral spine to the last lateral spine. You need one of these. It's a crab gauge. 5 3/4 is a keeper size for California. And as you can see, way short. So this one's going back in the water. We'll try again. All right guys, that's how we do it at Ocean Beach.
So 6.5?
All right, clean crab. We talk about Costco size. Check that out, y'all. All right, here's my crab gauge. About 6.5. My gauge only goes 6 1/4. There you go. That's how we do it out at Ocean Beach, baby. Get 'em.